So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining very fast after update iOS 17 beta 2. As you can see, this is my iPhone XS and right now it's running on iOS 17 beta 2. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can also fix that issue on your iPhone. Firstly, you need to change some settings. Firstly, you need to open the setting app. In setting app you need to scroll down and find here a option privacy and security. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen location services is turned off. If your location services is turned on, just temporarily turn it off. Because when official update launch you must update your iPhone to the latest iOS, so you can easily fix that issue. Move to the next step. The next step is tap on tracking. You can see appears on screen allow apps to request to track. Just turn it off also. And now go back and move to the next setting. The next settings is tap on general. You can see appears on screen here are showing background app refresh. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen all apps turn on and taking battery in background, so you need to turn it off also. Okay, now move to the next step. The next step is open iPhone setting again. In setting you can see appears on screen display and brightness. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen make sure your automatic is turned on. Okay, and now scroll down again. You can see appears on screen rise to wake. Make sure that option is also on your iPhone. So friends, by doing that simple step you can easily fix that issue that your iPhone battery draining very fast after update iOS 17 beta 2. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.